Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the IKEA outdoor coffee table. Actually, this can be used indoors as well, it's not quite an outdoor. It sits about 17 inches high, and the diameter of the table itself is about 28 inches. And it's got about a half an inch lip on it. This is what it looks like. So here I have everything laid out. This is going to be the tabletop. I have all my hardware in this little container, and there's two pieces that will form the legs. You're just going to want to put top piece on top of the bottom piece like that. I'll show you a picture of what this will look like here. And then you're going to want to put your fine threaded screw in the bottom. There's only 9 screws for this installation, so it should be fairly quick. There you go, just put that snug. Next we'll put on the 4 feet, and they just go on just like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then there's 4 Phillips screws that are coarse threaded. These will just go in the bottom of the feet. That's 1, 2, 3, and the last one here. Next you're going to want to flip the table over, or the legs. It's not quite a table yet. And we're just going to put the top on. You just want to make sure that the space here between this cylindrical thing and the top is upright, and that it's not like this. This is the bottom. When there's a flush piece like that, that's the bottom. So this is the top. We're just going to slide that into that part there. Second part, third part, and finally 4th part. And this one came up. There we go. And then we'll just put our 4 screws into the top here. We'll just get them snug for now. I'll go to the opposite side here. Just be sure that all your legs are into the top before you start screwing this down. That's the second side. Going to the third side. That's the third side. Now we can put these little caps into the screw holes just to fill them, so that it looks better as well. And they just snap right in. Next, with everything there, I'm just going to double check that everything's tightened. They're good. And that's your coffee table.